Oh, hello, friends. Oh, hold on a second. There, that's better. Hello, friends. Welcome back to the boat. It is December 28th. It is freezing cold, but I've made my way down to the yacht club here to do two things, really. First, just to check on the boat, make sure everything's okay, and I'm happy to report that the cover is doing pretty well. Although there's some snow drifts that have gotten in, maybe from the vents. I'm not sure. But other than that, tickety-boo, the boat looks in the terrible state it was when I left it, which is good news. The other thing I wanted to just do is try out my new toy. In this man purse here is something that I bought for myself on the Boxing Day sales. If you're American, that's basically Black Friday equivalent here in Canada. And this is a flying camera, aka a drone. I took it for a test spin yesterday when I got it, quickly around the house, just to make sure I was able to launch and retrieve it. And I just wanted to take a quick spin around the club here and show you what things look like at the club in the dead of winter. Hopefully I don't break it or drop it in the water on my very first effort. The plan with this, of course, as with a lot of sailing channels that you're probably no doubt familiar with, is to try and get some cool shots on the water, but I'm going to need quite a bit of practice, I reckon, before I am launching this thing from the boat. It's going to take a bit of getting used to, and when you're moving both directionally and vertically, as you do in the water, and maybe on a y-axis as well, z-axis? Anyway, you're moving around out there, and grabbing this thing as these propellers spin is going to be challenging. Nonetheless, what it is, it's a DJI Mini 4K. Now, the United States actually just announced a ban of DJI equipment. I think these ones are still fine. Anything that's still in the United States is still going to be fine. But nothing new coming in, I guess, because of a perceived security threat. It is a Chinese company after all, and God knows what they're up to, I guess. That's the theory. But it's a cool toy. So while they're still available, I'm going to use it. And the other thing is, I just wanted to say really quick, a big thank you to everyone who subscribed. So last summer, I was, begging people to subscribe so I could hit that magical 1,000 subscriber threshold that would allow me to monetize this channel. And the theory was that I would take whatever money I get and I would pour it back in to the boat and into the channel. And this is a manifestation of that. Now, I just got my first payment from YouTube. It took 4 months to make $130. So this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This thing is obviously more than $130. So I'm still pouring my hard-earned money into this channel, but you know what? Gosh darn it, I love it, and I love you guys. So with that said, thank you again. You guys are all legends. And let's go fly the drone and take a look at the wintry mess that is the Whitby Yacht Club at the end of December 2025. Cheers, guys. Okay, so second time ever using this thing, and maybe you're going to find yourself rooting for me to fail. I get it. I do the same. Nonetheless, here we go. Let's I don't even know if I've got it turned on right, but we're going to try this thing out. All right. Connection guide. Are we happy? Oh, yeah, she's spinning. She's spinning. Okay. Out of the way. It's not connected, it says, but yet it's flying. What the heck? I can't see anything on my screen. All right. Land. What is the problem? Oh, I see now. I see now. Low volume may miss important details. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. There's also a button on here. If I press this, it brings up the takeoff. And if I hold that down, it takes off on its own. Isn't that cool? And it's recording me. Hello, me. Let's go up a bit. Haha! It's pretty stable. All right, let's go way up. Turn us around. Let's go take a look at the boat from up here. Whoa, no birds! Those birds. Hold on, where'd they go? I don't know, these friggin' geese almost took me out first try. That was bad. All right, back to what I was doing. Okay, so here's the boat. Oh, no. There it is. Bring it down a bit, a hair. That little crack is how I have to squeeze myself in and out. It's like I'm being born every time I come out of that boat. Sorry, that's in poor taste, but most of my jokes are. All right, so let's go up again. See how high we can go. How high are we? That's 65, let's go to 70 meters, 71 meters. All right. Now at 70 meters, I have to say, I can't hear this thing at all. It is very quiet. So here's the wintry club. So sad. That's the extent of it. And turn around. So those are our mast racks. You can come down for a better view maybe. Yeah, so all of our racks kind of get, or all of our masts rather, get stored on these racks all winter long. There's some wishbones from some non-suches. Let me look up where I'm going. All right. It's a good view of the club. You can see the harbor here is all frozen over. Look at that pile of birds. There's more birds flying overhead of me here. So I really don't want a strike. So I'm not gonna go over there. Oh, one thing I should show you is these bad boys here are the barges that are doing all of the dredging. Now, how they're going to work if this thing completely freezes solid, I have no idea. Oops. Oops, let me go up. Go up. But yeah, so those guys are doing the beautiful job of making sure our harbor is going to be nice and deep. Some guys from the club here, I guess they tested it out areas that they had dredged, just kind of in here, and they said that they had a 12-foot stick and they couldn't touch bottom. So that is just amazing. I will no longer have to worry about depth, because that was always a worry for me, of course, drawing 6 something as I do, 6.5. So I should be seeing it come into view here soon. Oh, there it is. I overshot my mark. Let's back up and bring her down. Hold on, let me get a better camera angle. Bring her over a bit closer. Closer, and down some more. Camera up. Camera up and down. There it is. Huge success. Huge success. Let's go over that way and take a look while we still can. Up a bit higher. All right. These controls are definitely going to take some getting used to, that's for sure. All right, there's the lake. And let's come back to base. So like I said, this is going to take me some practice getting used to how these controls work or don't work for me. All right, so here it comes. It's 48 meters above me. Totally silent. Totally silent. I cannot hear it at all. It's at about 28 meters that I can start to hear it. Oh, hello, my friend. Now, one trick I learned is that if you take this thing and you flip it over, it'll stop the propellers. And I think that's what you want to do on a boat, because you don't want to be messing around. You only got one hand, right? So if I grab, oh, there's downward sensors. So as I go to grab it, it wants to go away from me. So I guess you got to go fast. And it's off. So that's the drone. This is the Wintry Club. 4 months before we're sailing again, which is so depressing. But we'll get there. I look forward to it. Look forward to seeing you there too. Cheers, guys.